Welcome to another episode of Living with an AMG, episode 2. Now, you guys absolutely loved episode 1. I got some really good feedback. It was so fun to make. I'm definitely going to make more of these videos. And if you haven't noticed already, today we are doing a night drive in the CLA45s with the gorgeous ambient lighting. I mean, I hope this comes through well on the camera. We're basically going to do a little drive around the lovely roundabouts of Milton Keynes, in race mode of course, with the ambient lighting. Then I'm going to show you a few different colours and different colour schemes and settings, but we're in comfort mode right now and we're going to go straight into race mode as soon as we've got past this roundabout. Right. Yeah, there's actually a BMW behind me that thinks I'm trying to race it. I really am not. That was an M5. Oh, that was dangerous. That's why you don't undertake. So we're already here. We're about 1 minute into this video and just taught you there with the BMW M5 how to not drive. I'm not really interested in racing. I just want to have some fun with you guys, enjoy the ambient lighting. Hey, well, he's a bit reckless. I think that might have shook him up a bit because he's not driving as fast now. And yeah, so ambient lighting. Sorry, I'm still a bit kind of surprised there on what happened with that BMW M5. He made a really silly move and it could have ended really bad for him. But hey, that is the nature of the video and this is what we're going to be capturing. This is life with a CLA45s, life with an AMG. If you own an AMG, BMW M cars are going to try and race you. To brake quite heavy because this guy's going really slow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoying the night view and the camera's picking it up okay. It's a small camera because it's on my head, so it's not going to be the best quality at night, but really I hope you just get to experience from the cockpit really what it's like driving this car at night with all these crazy lights going on. I mean, when I first picked up the car they were a little bit distracting, I'm not going to lie, but I love them now. And you know, we're just getting back to that time of year now where I'm driving to work in the dark and I'm driving home from work in the dark, so it makes it much more pleasant having all these cool lights. And like, I don't know if you've noticed if you're watching the video, they're constantly changing. So at the moment it's pink, and if you keep an eye on it, there you go, there's a purple coming, and that purple turns to blue, and the vents all light up. It's super dynamic as well. If I turn the temperature down on the air vents, the lights will go blue. If I turn the temperature up on the air vents, they'll go red because they're emitting hot air. It's very, very cool. Perhaps while we're bored behind this car, I can show you some of the different colours. I mean, you can use the touchpad rather than the touch screen. So if you go into comfort on the screen, colour, we'll just cycle through some of the colours. So this is ocean blue now, which is super cool. Very blue. We'll just turn here. Ah, here we go. So much power, but I do want to show you some of the colours and I want to do it responsibly. So this is ocean blue, purple sky, so this is a bit of purple with a bit of blue. Red moon is what we had before, absolutely love red moon. Fire red is super cool. I mean, how sporty does this feel right now? Sort of a yellow at the bottom and a red at the top. And the car is sounding very loud right now. Ooh, and I don't know if you guys can hear those pops from the back. That is a good road. Let's go back. We need to get into this lane. I want to go back down there because that was a good road. And we're going to go down in fire red because I haven't really used fire red much, but I quite like it. nice combination of yellow and orange. It's basically fire. I mean, it's called fire red. We can try another one. Dawn blue. How about sun yellow? I think I prefer fire red. It is definitely more yellow though. Oh, jungle green. Whoa, that's really bright. This kind of feels like I'm in an electric car now, with the super sort of lime green colour. Right, we're going to go run down that road again because that was awesome. And we're going to go down in lime green. I just love this car way too much. It's just so much fun flooring it because the way it distributes the power and just the reviness of this engine. I mean, did you see the RPMs? I can't wait to do a manual drive for you guys with the paddles. It's so fun in manual. Oh, did you hear those pops? Yeah, what do you guys think about lime green? It's a bit too much for me. Let's go color flash. That's probably all the colors. So you can have all the colors. Let's go back up. Let's do purple sky. Love a bit of blue and purple. Yeah, we can go left here. Lots of traffic and cars and lorries about. Probably shouldn't have come down this way. Go down here. We've looked through the colours. We've had some fun in race mode. We probably can call this video a successful episode, hopefully, if it all comes out well. We need to slow down here because this becomes one road. But yeah, guys, so experimenting with this series still, you know, with the POV videos. This is my first time attempting a night one, so fingers crossed it came out really, really well and you got to see all the different lights in the car. I'm going to do more videos on the ambient lighting and just, yeah, I just love making these videos, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, and guys, don't miss episode 3 because episode 3 is going to be epic. We're going to be doing a full drive with the flappy paddles, the paddle shifters. I'm going to show you how I drive in manual mode. So if you've never driven in manual mode before and you've got paddles, it's going to be really educational, but it's just going to be tons of fun as well because this car is so fun in manual mode. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. We're going to do one more acceleration and then I'll see you guys next time. See you next time, guys.